Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hanina Gati, and on this opportunity, I want to elaborate the motion this host would pay morbidly obese people to lose weight. I'm here as the Prime Minister, and let's get started. Obesity is considered the fifth leading cause of death in the world. In addition, obesity also increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. Before we start, the speaker will declare the definition of the obesity. Obesity is a chronic condition due to the accumulation of fat in the body is very high. Obesity occurs because the intake of calories is more than the activity of burning calories, so that excess calories accumulate in the form of fat. If this condition occurs for a long time, it will add weight to obesity. While morbidly is characterized by or appealing to an abnormal and unhealthy interest in disturbing and unpleasant subjects, especially death and disease. Pay morbidly means pay someone to take better care of their health in order to avoid disease and even death. And then, lose weight is emaciate, slim down, reduce, then melt off, and others. The problem of obesity is increasing in the world. This is a big challenge in preventing the growth of chronic diseases in the world. Obesity is also triggered by industrial and economic growth, as well as lifestyle changes, increased intake of nutrients from processed foods, or high-calorie diets. Therefore, the government must act immediately or provide a solution to this problem. Data from the World Health Organization in the year 2016 shows that more than 1.9 billion adults aged 18 years and other are overweight. According to this World Health Organization, this represents 39% of adults 18 years of age and over 39% of men and 40% of women being overweight. In the past, overweight and obesity were considered health problems in the highest income countries. However, now cases of obesity are also experiencing a drastic increase in developing countries. The year 2018 also found that 40 million children under the age of 5 were overweight and obese. The prevalence of weight gain and obesity in children and adolescents aged 5 to 19 increased dramatically from just 4% in 1975 to more than 18% in 2016. The United States is one of the countries with the highest obesity rates. According to the World Population Review 2019, the U.S. obesity rate is 36.20%. This means that more than a third of the U.S. population is overweight. According to the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention, as many as 39.8% of adults in the U.S. are obese. In addition, the ratio of obesity between women and men in the U.S. is also quite significant. At 2016, 72.7% of men are obese, while 63.2% of women are obese. Obesity has a high role in the number of deaths in the world, even exceeding the impact of being underweight and undernourished. Worldwide, there are more people who are obese than people who are underweight. To include according to the impact of obesity that can cause death, I support his host to pay morbidly obese people to lose weight. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.